Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will unbox the IC-ST3100-F. In the box there's the power cable and adapters, pH buffer powders for pH 10, 7 and 4, a certificate of conformity, setup instructions, calibration certificate, as well as the warranty and instruction manual. Parts of the meter include the benchtop LCD display, the electrode arm, an assembly screw, the weighted arm base and an electrode. Assembly is easy. Simply place the bottom of the electrode arm into the base, and screw it into place. Place the electrode into one of the holes on the top of the arm and thread the cable through the tracks. To plug the electrode into the rear of the meter, first remove the metal cap. Line the two tracks up and twist into place. The second smaller plug goes into the spot labelled temp. Last of all, plug the meter into the port labelled DC. And turn it on using the power button. Then you're ready to go. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.